Good morning, kids. Today, let's start Unit 3 poem Little by Little. Let's read the poem. Little by little, an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I'm improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear and the slender branches spread far and wide till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Here in this poem, little by little, an acorn, the seed of an oak tree, describes how it grew into a large tree. Let's go to the first stanza. Little by little, an acorn said. Here, acorn means a seed of an oak tree. As it slowly sank in its mossy bed. This acorn is saying that slowly sank. Sank means went down in its mossy bed. Mossy means a small soft green plant with no flowers that grows in wet places. Okay. I'm improving every day, and it is saying that daily it is growing. Hidden deep in the earth away means hiding in the earth away. So, where will you put the seed? Inside the earth. No, deep inside the earth. Likewise, the acorn seed is also deep inside the earth. Okay, little by little, each day it grew, and it is saying that daily I am growing, I am growing. Little by little, it sipped the deep, and daily it is sipping. Sipping means like you sip your milk, no, children, and you sip the juice, no, that is known as sipping. Dew means during winter when it is very cold, you will find something small drops on the leaves, that is known as dews. And drinking this dew, no, the acorn seed is growing up. Now let's move to the second stanza. Downward it sent out a thread like a root. Once the seed is inside the earth, when you put the seed, what happens? Yes, day by day, the roots start growing. Have you seen the root kids? Have you seen the roots kids? Yes, it is like thread, no? It is under the earth. That what it means? It means that downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. So, up in the air means what? Inside the earth, it is a root, and above the earth, so a tiny means small. Sprang. Sprang means to appear quickly. One small shoot. Okay, a tiny shoot means one small shoot means stem is appearing day by day and year by year. Day by day and year by year, it is growing and growing from small plant to a big plant, and also it is growing. So what happens? So after some days, some years, even the leaves started appearing, means seen. Okay, and slender branches spread far and wide. Slender branches started growing. So when it is a plant, it will occupy very small place, and when it is growing as a tree, no, it will spread over a large area, isn't it kids? So likewise the so it is growing and growing till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Here mighty means powerful. Okay. Oak means you know no, a kind of tree. Is the forest pride. Pride is that of which one is justly proud. Okay. Here so it is growing and growing till it is the forest. Now tell me where the oak tree is growing now. Yes, it is growing in the forest. Okay. Okay, still it has become a big tree. uh, it become a forest. It has become a forest pride. It is growing. It is growing. So it is now growing. So what have you learned from this poem, children? You have seen that how seed is sown inside the earth and how day by day it will grow. Like few seed it will grow into a small plant, and few seed will grow into a big tree. Okay. Yes. If you want to know how the root and shoot um, will be, you can try like putting a seed in a pot, that you have to keep the pot in the sunlight, and slowly it will start growing. Then you will come to know how the seed will turn to a plant. Okay kids, I hope you have understood the lesson.